This hidden gem should be on everyone's bucket list. Welcome to Mauritius, the island paradise that has it all. Picture this: turquoise waters, powder-soft beaches, and sunsets that light up the sky. But Mauritius is not just about stunning views. Dive into the vibrant local culture, influenced by African, European, and Asian traditions. Taste some dal puri, a local street food you didn't know you'd crave. Fancy a bit of adventure? Hike up Le Morne, Brabant for panoramic views that will leave you speechless. Did we forget to mention the incredible marine life? Snorkel in crystal-clear lagoons or scuba dive into a world of colorful coral reefs. Inclusive and welcoming, Mauritius is the destination where everyone can find their paradise. Pack your bags. This dream awaits. So where should we travel next? Subscribe to join the adventure and drop your dream destination below.